Ancient Romans invented concrete so durable. Structures like the Pantheon still stand strong after 2 millennia. The Baghdad Battery, found in Iraq, suggests ancient Parthians might have created rudimentary electric cells over 2,000 years ago. Discovered off a Greek island, the Antikythera mechanism is a complex, ancient astronomical calculator, built 2,000 years before its time. The city of Mohenjo-Daro, 4,500 years ago, had advanced sewage and plumbing systems, rivaling some modern cities. Ancient Egyptians used a paste of rock salt, mint, and dried iris flowers as toothpaste. Thousands of years ago, over 1,800 years ago, the Chinese Han Dynasty developed a seismograph, a bronze urn with dragons holding balls that fell during earthquakes. Chocolate was first cultivated and consumed by the Olmecs and Mayans in Mesoamerica as a bitter, ceremonial drink. Vikings may have navigated foggy seas using sunstones, crystals that polarize light to pinpoint the sun's position. Hero of Alexandria, a Greek engineer, designed automatic temple doors and even a vending machine in the 1st century AD. The wheel wasn't invented for transport but for pottery in Mesopotamia around 3,500 BC, revolutionizing production.